Today I'm going to show you how to log in to your Amazon Prime on your PC. Amazon Prime can be logged in using the website, or if you have the desktop app, it will be much easier. If you don't yet have the desktop app, you can easily download it through the Microsoft Store. Just search for Microsoft Store on the search bar and open up this. And on the search bar above, search for Amazon Prime. And you'll see an option of Prime Video for Windows. You just click on it and you'll have an option of Get right here. Once the download is complete, you can click on Open. Now once you open up the app, you will see a similar interface. Now you just need to select your country or region. Make sure you select the right country or region, or if you're using a VPN, you can select the exact country that you've connected to. Once you're done, click on Sign In. And then you'll have this interface where you can type in your email address or your mobile number of your account. After you type in your email or phone number, it's time to type in your password. If you want to reveal this password, you can click on this eye icon. This way, this password will be revealed. Now, if you don't remember the password to your Prime Video account, you can click on Forgot Password. This way, you'll be able to reset and create a new password. Click on Sign In after you filled in both these boxes. And as easy as that, you will be signed in to your Amazon Prime account. So that was a quick and easy video. I hope you guys liked this video and found this video helpful. If you did, subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. If you want more content similar to this, be sure to turn on that notification. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.